everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. So today I have another exciting video for you guys. Sephora had another like customer appreciation sale, or I think it was like the summer save 20. So if you are VIB Rouge, you got 20%, and if you are VIB, I think you got 15% off. I don't know why they're doing so many sales this year, but I'm loving it. That is a great thing for them because they get everybody's money. Well, especially mine, I know that. But I made two purchases during the sale, so one in store and then one online, unfortunately. So I got the box here. So I purchased a few things. This haul is going to seem really random because I have another video in mind I would like to shoot, so that is why it seems kind of random and all over the place. And then some of them are just repurchases of items that I already have. So for starters, I bought this. I'm going to go through the ones I bought in store first. So I have heard such good things about this Makeup Forever Matte Skin Velvet Foundation, which is a powder foundation. And I haven't tried a powder foundation in forever. When I first got started in makeup, I used the Bare Minerals, which is a loose powder foundation. So I'm super excited to give this a try. I've heard a lot of YouTubers rave about it. So this is in the shade, what shade is this in? Y345. I was between this one and I think 365, but this is the shade here. One was like a little too light, one was a little too dark, so I just went with the lighter shade because I could bronze it up with bronzer if I needed to, and we are getting to the end of summer, so I will start to lose my tan eventually, so I went for the shade Y35. That was purchase number one. And then I had to re-up on my Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Remover and Cleansing Balm. This is my third one, and I am so low on my other one that I had to get this one. I love this stuff. If you haven't tried this already, it's amazing. And if you have super sensitive skin or super sensitive eyes, this stuff is awesome. I rub it all over my eyes. It takes off all of my eye makeup. This is gonna look really gross because I just used this one, but this makeup remover here, sorry, this little thing was on there, but this makeup remover here I use like to do my swatches, and I go through so many of these, but this is just so quick and easy, and with 20% off I felt like I had to, plus I was running low, so just another repurchase for me there. This is another repurchase. This is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This stuff is amazing. I have pretty dry skin, and I just use this after I've applied all of my powder products. So right before I do my eyes, once I've done, my foundation, powder, bronzer, blush, and highlight, I go and spray this, and it just makes everything sink really nice into the skin and just makes your skin look and feel amazing. So this was a repurchase as well. And then I got this Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Now, every YouTuber raves about this and how it's their favorite. I've never tried this before, so I just got a little tester just to see what it's all about. I do have so many other mascaras that I'm trying to go through before I purchase another one. So I went ahead and got the little travel size to test out. And then this bad boy here is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask from Youth to the People. This is an overnight moisturizing mask with McQueen. I have no idea what that is, but sounds good to me. With vitamin C, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. Again, I do have pretty dry skin, so I wanted to give this a try. I've only used it a couple of times, and it's a nightly mask, so you wear it every night. I haven't really put a dent in it just because I just got this a few days ago, but so far so good. No complaints. It hasn't made me break out or anything like that, so I'll continue to use it and see what it does for me. Next up is the Cover FX Dewy Setting Spray. I've never really tried anything from Cover FX, so as you saw, I got the Glow Recipe, but I also wanted to give this one a try. This is their new Dewy Finish Setting Spray, and I love anything that's dewy or glowing just because I do have such dry skin. So again, I got just a little travel size since I did purchase the full size of the Glow Recipe one. And then last but not least, from in store, I picked up the Laneige Lip Glowy Balm, which I already took it out because I had to start using it immediately. And I got mine in the flavor pear. I think they have grapefruit, peach, and there's another one, berry, I think. But I love this. I swear by the original Laneige in the tub, and that I've had that thing for so long. And I don't use it like every night like I should, but I do use it quite a bit, and my husband actually uses it as well. But I figured I'd give this a try just because everyone raves about it, and I love the original in the pot, so I'm glad that I purchased this. Moving on to what I got online. The packaging on this is beautiful. Of course, I'm dropping things. The packaging on this is beautiful. This is the Melt Impulse Pressed Pigment Palette, and this is like the stacked one. I've never tried anything from Melt, so this will be my first Melt product. Now, this is extremely bulky. As you can see, it's pretty thick, and the reason is because it kind of like stair steps, which is awesome, and it is a very colorful palette. You do have some neutrals kind of, down here on this side, and then up at the top. Sorry, let me get those out of the way so they're not so reflective. But how beautiful is this palette? I'm super excited to play with it, and it's super like weighted and heavy. I'll go ahead and do a couple swatches here for you guys. I'm sure you guys have seen this palette before, as it is not a new palette. It is just new to me. Wow, they are so soft and buttery. I just barely dipped my finger in and I took a chunk out of the eyeshadow. Wow, these are absolutely stunning. These are gorgeous. I'm so excited to try these. These last two at the end here are mattes, and I barely touched them, and those are one swipe finger swatches. Those are beautiful. I am so excited to try this palette. And then I got a few more lip products from RMS Beauty. This is their Wild with Desire mini lipstick pack, which is super cute. They're so nice and tiny. I've never tried anything from RMS Beauty, and I hear good things about it, so I wanted to give those a try. These are all of the lipstick swatches. So it's like berry tones and kind of nudes here, which is really nice. The formula seems nice. They're all very pigmented in one swipe, so excited to try those out. Next up is the Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo from Wander Beauty. Again, I've heard great things about Wander Beauty, but never anything about like their bronzer and blush formula, so I'm excited to try this out. And that is them here. I'm hoping that that bronzer will be dark enough for me. Maybe if I layer it up, it'll come out really nicely. It's very, very soft, which is nice. And that is it swatched. Really, really nice. I do like the pinkiness of the blush. Not that I don't already have a blush similar to that color, but you know, can never have too many. And then if you guys follow Kathleen Lights, or if you've seen any of my other videos, you know how much I love her, but she raves about the Jouer High Coverage Liquid Concealer, and this is really, really good size packaging. Like, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be, and I got mine in the shade Creme Cafe. I'm really hoping that this is going to be the right color because I did order it online. Whoa, this doe foot applicator is like kind of like long and pointy. Interesting. Again, this is the shade Creme Cafe. Oh, I think it's going to be way too light. I always do this. This seems way too light, but if I need to, I'll go in and exchange it for a darker shade, but we'll see how it goes. Another thing I got from CoverFX is their CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder, and I got this, I think this is the tester size. I don't think this is full size, but this is in the shade Translucent Light. I'm not sure if it comes in any other shades, but I do like that it has like this kind of protector over it. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah, so it has like the powder comes out of here, and it's got a nice little lid that you can kind of click to close so the powder doesn't go everywhere, which I love. I've got one last product here from Makeup Forever, and it is their Artist Color Pencil. Now this is their pencil that you could use on your eyes, lips, kind of like a multi-use product, and it is a liner, or let's see, what do they call it? It just says a multi-use matte pencil, and I got this in the shade Universal Earth. It's like a very purpley brown kind of color, very, very nice. So I could use this on the eyes or the lips. So that is everything that I purchased from the Sephora sale. If you guys purchased anything or have used any of these items, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. Did you love it? Did you hate it? What did you buy? Thank you guys for tuning in. And if you haven't subscribed already, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and join the Wise family here. You could also turn on those post notifications, click that bell down below so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time. Bye, guys.